Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. The 2025 Chevrolet Spark is making waves in the compact car segment, offering a blend of modern design, advanced features, and affordability. As an ideal choice for urban commuters and first-time car buyers, the Spark combines efficiency with style, design and exterior. The 2025 Spark showcases a sleek and aerodynamic profile, characterized by bold lines and a contemporary aesthetic. Its compact dimensions are measuring 3,635 mm in length, 1,595 mm in width, and 1,483 mm in height to make it perfect for navigating tight city streets and parking in confined spaces. The front fascia features a distinctive grille flanked by sharp headlamps, while the rear is adorned with stylish taillights and a subtle spoiler. Available in a palette of vibrant colors, including Caribbean blue, red, and orange burst metallic, the Spark allows drivers to express their personal style. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Spark offers a thoughtfully designed cabin that maximizes space and comfort. Despite its compact exterior, the interior provides ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The seats are upholstered in quality materials, and the driver's seat offers adjustable settings to ensure optimal comfort. The rear seats can be folded down to expand the cargo area, accommodating larger items when needed. The dashboard is user-friendly, featuring intuitive controls and a modern aesthetic. Infotainment and connectivity. The 2025 Spark is equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that keeps drivers connected and entertained. The centerpiece is a 7-inch touchscreen display that supports Chevrolet's latest software interface. Standard features include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, allowing seamless integration of smartphones for navigation, music streaming, and hands-free communication. Bluetooth connectivity and USB ports are also available for additional media options. Higher trims offer features like a premium audio system and built-in navigation. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Spark is powered by a 1.4-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers 98 horsepower. This engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, providing drivers with engaging control over their driving experience. The front-wheel drive configuration ensures stable handling, making the Spark agile in urban environments. One of the standout features of the Spark is its impressive fuel efficiency, making it a cost-effective choice for daily commutes and long drives alike. Safety features. Chevrolet places a strong emphasis on safety, and the 2025 Spark is no exception. The vehicle comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features designed to protect occupants and prevent accidents. Standard safety equipment includes a rear-view camera, anti-lock brakes, stability control, and a full array of airbags. Advanced safety technologies, such as forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and rear park assist, are available in higher trims, providing drivers with added peace of mind. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Chevrolet Spark offers exceptional value, with pricing starting at $14,095 for the base LS variant and going up to $17,495 for the top Tier 2 LT trim. This competitive pricing makes the Spark an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers seeking a reliable and stylish vehicle. The Spark is available at Chevrolet dealerships nationwide, with various financing options to suit different needs. Conclusion: the 2025 Chevrolet Spark stands out in the compact car market by offering a harmonious blend of style, efficiency, and advanced features at an affordable price point. Its modern design, comfortable interior, and robust safety features make it an excellent choice for urban commuters and small families. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on a weekend getaway, the Spark is equipped to handle the journey with confidence and flair.